Welcome back, YouTube. In this video I'm going to be showing you how we are installing one of our concealed flags. This is a 48-inch flag, however we sell it in a 36-inch size as well. So when you get your flag unboxed, the first thing that you're going to want to do is flip it over onto the back side of the flag. Now to hang these flags we use what is called a French cleat, and that's screwed onto the back of your flag. So you'll need to use a T20 Torx to unscrew the French cleat from the back of the flag. As you are removing the cleat from the back of the flag, you'll notice an 18-inch spacing and a 16-inch spacing. This is reference to the spacing between the studs in your home, and I will say that most homes are 16-inch spacing. The next thing that you'll want to do is grab the small cardboard box that is hot glued to the back of your flag. There are two types of keys in here. This is a keychain key, and then the next one is just a wallet key or a card key. And also notice that the two keys laying outside of the bag are the ones that are synced to the lock. There are two keys that are inside of the bag that you will want to just save in case you lose, or use this owner's manual here to set up the new keys. But for the most part, people never lose the two keys that they have and don't need to break out these other two keys right here. So the foam insert on this flag is pretty much customizable to whatever you would like to put in there. The foam itself is 2 inches thick by 45 inches in length and 10 inches tall. However, the capacity of the flag, the storage container, is 45 inches in length, 10 inches tall, and it is 3 inches in depth. Whenever you've decided what you're going to put in your flag, you just need to lay it on the foam, trace it with a piece of chalk, and then cut it out with just a razor blade. Okay, now we are ready to hang the flag. You want to place your mark 23 inches above the bottom of the flag. Find the studs with the stud finder. Right there I found one. And the studs on my wall seem to be about 16 inches apart. For the sake of this video, I'm only using 2 screws to hang my cleat to the wall. However, you are given 4 screws, so it is recommended that you use all 4 screws when you attach the cleat to the wall. So like I stated before, my studs are 16 inches apart. So right here I'm just taking the level and making sure that the cleat is true. After your cleat is 100% level, go ahead and fasten the other screw through the cleat into the stud. Right here gives you an idea of how the two cleats work. They are essentially 2 symmetrical wedges that pulls the flag up tight against the wall. To install the flag, simply lift it over top of the cleat and slide it down the wall until it sucks snugly up against the wall. There will be a blue piece of painter's tape that you should pull off, and that indicates where the lock actually is on the top long stripe of the flag. And to open your flag, grab one of the 2 sync keys, swipe it where the blue tape was. It will beep, you can pull it open, and it will slowly drop to the 90-degree position. If you need immediate access to your flag, swipe the key across the lock, and when it beeps, just pull it down instead of letting it self-lower. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, I would appreciate if you would click the subscribe button down below.